Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to export SQL Server database. Full guide. Open SQL Server Management Studio and connect to your server instance, then choose the database you want to export. Decide whether to create a full backup, use Generate Scripts for schema and data, or export data with the Import and Export wizard. I will walk through each method step by step and explain pros and cons so you can pick the right approach for your situation. Start by right-clicking the database and selecting Tasks, then Backup, or Run Backup Database in a query window. Choose Full or Differential based on recovery needs and set the destination path for the back file. Verify options like compression and checksum if desired, then run the job. After completion, test the backup by restoring it to a test instance to ensure integrity and successful export before relying on it for migration. In Management Studio, choose Tasks, then Generate Scripts and select the objects you need to export. Configure advanced options to include data, schema, or both, and adjust types of SQL to target your destination engine. For large tables, script data in batches or use BCP for efficiency. Save the generated script to a file or clipboard and run it on the target server to recreate schema and insert exported rows as required.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.